Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am making a stock market analysis video, a stock analysis video, and it's around 1 a.m. and I'm still gonna record this. You'll most probably I'll post this video in the morning, so you're gonna watch it anyways. So okay, let's get started. First, as you can see, this is the 15 minutes time frame of Mahindra and Mahindra, and as you can see, it is on a support level, right? It is on a support level. So what we are going to do is we are going to wait for it to close below this level. Once it closes below this level, a short entry can definitely be taken. This looks like a level to me, but I think this is very big for intraday, right? Almost 2.5%, which is very big. So what you can do is you can consider a middle level, or what you can do is you can just turn on pivots, and you can consider one level of pivot here as your first target, and if you can hold it further, you can hold it till here as your final target. Okay, for long side, see, can you see a level over here, right? We all can see a level over here, right? So once it goes up and closes above this level, a long entry can be taken. We can consider this level as our long target. Okay, very simple analysis. This, as you can see, it has been consolidating in this range also, right? So once it breaks down, we can take a short entry, and if it closes above this level, we can definitely take a long entry, and we can hold it till here. See, we do have a trend line also here, right? So yeah, multiple things. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have DLF over here. Okay, DLF, this is 15 minutes time frame. Beautiful trend line, right? We have a beautiful trend line here, and what pattern is this? What pattern is this? We all know this is symmetrical triangle pattern, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to wait for a breakout. Once it breaks out on either side, we can take an entry. Just in case it breaks down, a short entry can be taken, and we can consider this level as our first target. See, there are multiple levels, right? And we can consider this level as our final target. For long side, once it breaks out, and if it sustains above this level, can you see we do have levels over here? So once it sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken. We can consider this level as the first target and this level as a final target. Okay, so this is it for DLF. Very simple symmetrical triangle pattern, and a trade can be taken on breakout on either side. I've marked the targets, and you can hold it accordingly. Moving on to the next one, we have Tata Consumers. This is the 15 minutes time frame of Tata Consumers, and we do see a level over here, right? See, most of my analysis are totally based on levels and price action, just horizontal levels and price action. Okay, so now look at this. This is a shoulder, this is a head, and this is another shoulder, right? So we can consider this as the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and perfect, beautiful. So a trade can be taken once it closes above this level, right? Once it sustains above the horizontal level, a long entry can definitely be taken, and this level can be considered as the long target. Just in case it takes resistance from here and breaks down, you can just wait for it to close below this level. Once it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as your short target. Okay, this is it for Tata Consumer. Very simple inverted head and shoulder pattern, and the trade can be taken on both sides, but the long side looks stronger to me. Moving on to the next one, we have ITC. Okay, ITC, of course we do see a consolidation, which I'm going to mark, but we also see a level over here, right? And we have a consolidation. So as I always say, consolidation breakouts are literally my favorite. Can we draw a trend line also? Beautiful, beautiful. So what we can do is we can wait for it to break down this level. Once it breaks down this level, I think this looks like a good target. I'll just check how big this is. 1.3% perfect. If you want to hold it further, you can hold it till there also. But 1.3% is perfect. And for upside, what you can do is you can just wait for it to close above this level. Once it closes above this level, you can take a long entry, and you can consider pivot as your target. Okay, we don't have a recent transaction level over here. I think, yes, we don't have any recent transaction level over here. You can consider pivot as your target. 1% target, like I say, is always enough for intraday, so you can consider one or two pivot accordingly. Moving on to the next one, we have Aurobindo Pharma over here. Okay, I do see a level over here, right? As you can see, it has been taking resistance from this level, And if I zoom in, can you also see a consolidation over here, right? We also see a consolidation over here. So we can draw a box also. Perfect. So what you can do is we can wait for it to break out and close above this level. Once it closes above this level, I think a long entry can be taken, and this level can be considered as the long target. I'll just check how big this is. Okay, 2.5% is big. So you can consider this level as your first target. Okay, you can consider this level as the first target, this as your final target. If it closes below this level, a short entry can definitely be taken, and we can consider this level as a target, as a first target, and this level as a final target. Okay, so this is it for Aurobindo Pharma. Very simple. I'll just check 200 EM. Okay, 200 EM is also below, but we are totally going to trade this on the basis of price action. Okay, so this is it for Aurobindo Pharma. Moving on to the next one, what do we have over here? We have Bajaj Finance. Okay, we do see, okay, consolidation again. Consolidation breakouts are literally my favorite, guys. Literally my favorite. The best thing in the world. Okay, anyways, we can take a long entry once it closes above the box. If it closes above the box, a long entry can be taken. We can consider this level as our target. Okay, I'll just check how big this is. 1.7% perfect for intraday. Just in case it comes down and gives a breakdown and closes below the box, our short entry can be taken. We can consider this level as our short target. Okay, very simple. A box breakout. I'll just check with 200 EMA once. Okay, 200 EMA is also here. Perfect. So this is a consolidation. So we are going to wait for the box breakout. Once it breaks out on either side, an entry can be taken, and targets like I have marked, you can hold it till the marked levels. Okay. Moving on to the last one, we have Indian Oil. Okay. Okay, it's near 200 EMA. Good. I'll just remove it so that I can clearly draw the levels. See, beautiful, right? Do we also have a trend line over here? We do have a trend line over here. Okay, we also have a trend line over here. Okay, beautiful. So what you can do is you can wait for it to break out this trend line, and only after it closes below above this horizontal level, you can take a long entry. This looks like a support, like a resistance to me. I'll just check 1.5% perfect. And if you can, if you see a very what you can do is, if you see, if you want to hold it further, you can just hold it till this level also. This level would be too big, so these two levels are enough for intraday. Okay, once if it comes down and closes below this level, I'll just smoothen this level a bit. Yeah, so once it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken, and you can just consider this level as your short target. Okay, very simple trade. As you can see, this can be considered as a pole, this can be considered as a flag. The more potential is upside, but just in case closes below, you can take a long entry here also. Okay, so this is it for the analysis, guys. I shared Mahindra and Mahindra, DLF, Tata Consumer, ITC, Aurobindo Pharma, Bajaj Finance, and IOC. Okay, so this is it for the video. I hope you liked it. It's very simple, and I'm also going to share the forex analysis video very soon. I hope you like the video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.